Welcome student in second session from your textbook chapter number 15 our environment. Today we will continue in this chapter. In last session we studied about the introduction of environment and types of wastage, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So today we will continue this chapter and there is a next topic is ecosystem. Okay, an ecosystem is a self-contained unit of living things. There is a plants, animal and decomposers, human beings, okay, and they are non-living environment. They are soil, air and water. So the various communities of living organism, okay, there are plants, animals, interact among themselves as well as with their physical environment like soil, air and water. So the living organism interact with one another through their food chains. Okay, food chains means there is a eating the food, that is called the food chains, in which one organism consume another organism. Means एक organism दूसरे organism को consume करता है for their feeding, means for their food purpose. So the living organisms like plant interact with soil to get essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. Okay, with air to get the carbon dioxide and also with water bodies for carrying out the process of photosynthesis. So these are the one example of that living organism interact with the non-living things. So the various communities of living organisms called that biotic communities like plants and animals along with soil, air and water of that region form a self-sustaining or functional unit of the living world. Okay, so this functional unit or system made up of living and non-living components. Okay, means there is a biotic and abiotic which is capable of independent existence is called an ecosystem. मतलब कि living organism depend on the non-living for their survival purpose and one organism consume the other organism. So this interaction is called the ecosystem. Okay, so there is a various types of ecosystem are there. So there is a types of ecosystem. First, natural ecosystem like lakes, ponds, forests, etc. And artificial ecosystem. Artificial means made by men. Agricultural lands, garden, park, etc. So these are what artificial ecosystem. Now component of an ecosystem. So two main components are there, abiotic component and biotic component. So in that abiotic components, the abiotic components of an ecosystem include the physical environment like soil, water, air, gases, okay, like that. So water, air along with the inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, okay, and that all the gases, that carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, okay, and that water, phosphorus, sulfur, sodium, potassium, calcium, these are what abiotic elements, okay, present in them. So the physical factor or climatic factor like light, okay, light, temperature, humidity, pressure are also considered abiotic component of an ecosystem. Now biotic components. So in there, biotic component of an ecosystem is a community of organism. Like plants, animals, okay, plants and animals or living that community. So that of an ecosystem that include three types of organisms. Okay, three types of organisms. So first there is the types of organism in ecosystem: producer, okay, consumer and that decomposer. So what is producer? We have to that simply description of that. So autotrophs, we can also call them autotrophs, okay, which synthesize their own food. All the green plants are producer means those organism which synthesize their own food, मतलब खुद prepare करते food को, they are called the autotrophs, and that's why it's called the producer organism. Next one is a consumer organism, heterotrophs. Hetero means other, means those are depend on other, so depend on other for the food, so they are called, they all the animals including we are also in this consumer category. In that consumer category, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores are there. So in there is a decomposer, a third category, that decomposer organism. There is a saprotrophs. Saprotrophs means there is a, means depend on the dead remains, okay, consume the dead remains of other organisms, which consume the dead remains of other organisms, certain bacteria and fungi are called the decomposer. Clear this one? Okay. So what we know that today, ecosystem, an ecosystem is a self-contained unit of living organism, living things and their non-living environment. So there is a types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem, there is a lakes, ponds, forest, etc. are there, and artificial ecosystem, agricultural lands, garden, park, etc. are there, and component of an ecosystem. There is a two main component, okay, of an ecosystem. There is a abiotic component and biotic component. So in that types of organism in ecosystem is there. So there is a three types of organism in ecosystem: producer organism, consumer organism, decomposer organism. Clear this one? Thank you.